Hi, good morning everyone. I would like to introduce you red color today. Learning color is so much fun. Let's learn about the colors today. Do you know which colors are we going to learn today? We are going to learn about the red color today. I have a red color sketch pen in my hand. Red color. R-E-D, red color. Red color. This is a red color. Red color. Now, what else do you see in red color? The McQueen car. What is it? It's a McQueen car. What color is it? The McQueen car is also in red color. Red color. McQueen car is also in red color. It's my favorite car. It's the very fastest car. McQueen car is also in red color. I have a small McQueen car. It's also in red color. Red color. It's also in McQueen car is also in red color. Now another car, which is also in red color. This is a red car. This is a red car. Red car. Red color. Now I have a block. This is also a red color block. This is also a red color. Now I have a Jenga box. Jenga box is also in red color. This is a red color. The blocks are also in red color. So everything you can see is in red color. Red McQueen big car, red McQueen small car, a red car, a red block, and a red Jenga blocks, and a red sketch pen. This everything is in red color. This is a red color. Thanks everyone for watching.